Raynor Manufacturing is a recognized global producer of garage doors and products for commercial, residential, and industrial customers. The 400-employee company operates in state-of-the-art production facilities in Dixon, Illinois.
You're currently on the Build Mark line. This is our entry-level pan door. It's a residential version of a sectional overhead door. And what we're doing here, we're assembling the section. It begins at the other end of the line where we take a flat sheet of steel, we shape it into a section, it progresses through the line, and we add end caps and what we call mutts. Those items are used to fasten the components to the door. We're making the sections of the door.
A slowdown in the residential and commercial building market and price pressure from competitors had Raynor leaders looking for a way to differentiate their position, contain costs, and boost sales.
We've identified that customer satisfaction is extremely important. We wanted to take Raynor to the next level. In order to do that, we had to have more consistency in our processes. We also focus more on quality, and with the ISO program, with the documentation and the standard operating procedures, we feel as though that's going to get us where we need to be.
With help from the Illinois Manufacturing Extension Center, Raynor embarked on implementation of a quality management program, developing standardized work, training workers on the system, and documenting key processes. It's just one way an industry leader was looking to take the company even further.
Right off the bat, it was standardization. We found that we could have any given process and find 3 different people doing it 3 or 4 different ways. Once we started documenting the process and everybody was seeing that one way seemed to perform better than others, everybody kind of gravitated toward that one way. We saw benefits right away from that. And when we started the documentation process, we actually involved the employees at the very beginning, and they started to embrace this project, and they liked the fact that we were documenting this too, because it helped them.
Blumhoff appreciated IMEC's hands-on approach and experience in guiding his team through the quality management process.
They know what we're going through right now, and they've worked in similar companies that we worked in. A lot of times in most continuous improvement projects, you hear people say, oh, that doesn't work with our company, oh, we're not automotive, it won't work here. They understood all that. They knew that it would work here, and we had to be patient, and they'd work with us and talk us through it.
As a result of the project, Raynor has seen an increase in on-time delivery and improvements in productivity. Plus, IMEC helped the company certify its in-house testing procedures and reduce outside lab fees by 95%.
Complaints from the customers already started to go down. I mean, the last 2 months we've seen a reduction from complaints, and that was one of our things we were targeting, is we wanted to minimize or reduce those complaints. I mean, and everybody does, and right away we've seen benefits. I wasn't expecting them for another month or so that was good to see. As far as new sales, we went ahead and we certified our lab already, so we can do our own hurricane testing and wind load testing on our doors, and that's opened the door. It's allowed us to get to market quicker with new designs that we have, whereas in the past we'd have to schedule it with an outside lab. We'd have to ship it down to sometimes somewhere down south to be tested, and we lose a couple weeks' time that way. Now that we can test it in-house, going to market so much quicker for us.